So friend, now I'm going to college canteen. So this is the college canteen, and I will show you what the food you will get in the college canteen with the Mensa card. You can use your Mensa. As you can see, this is the Polytechnico college canteen. So friends, here as you can see, this is the college canteen. If you see the interior, so it is the afternoon and it is full busy. As you can see the big queue, so I have to stand in the queue in order to get the food. And one thing here I have to share with you is that, for example, in our India, when we are going to like a university, then there will be hostels and there they will give the food. Okay, so here, even though if you are getting the accommodations or university hostel, you will not have the hostel food. Okay, so please be remember that. So in hostel you have kitchen, so you have to cook your own food, whatever food you want. Okay, so in the college you will get the canteen, this type of canteen. So with the canteen you can buy the food whatever you want. Okay, so here just see there are many something like that, chopstick or something, whatever it may be, you can take. And this is the plastic plates, not plastic, it's wooden plate. So we have to take the plate and we have to stand in the queue and we have to wait for our chance. So many people will ask me that, for example, how is the food, hostel food, etc. So you will not get the hostel food. Please be remember, okay? You have to cook your own food, even though if you are living in university accommodation or you are living in outside. Okay. Scusa, vegetariano?
Entrambi, tutte e due.
Uh, Grazie. It is, I think, same for all the university, because as you know it is international university, and there will be number of students from different part of the world, so they will not cook the same food for everyone. So many people will like and other will not. For example, in our country we have South Indian food, North Indian food. It's two food is enough, but here it is totally different. So it is very difficult for the universities to make food and feed the students. So simply they will give the kitchen facilities and you have to do cooking whatever you want. And here just I came to just have the food for the video purpose. I think this is my second time to utilize this in university canteen, because I prefer to cook my own food and I eat in the house. So you have everything, you will get fruits, vegetables, drinks, etc, etc. So just take and give and take the taste. And other thing is that vegetarian, you will find the vegetarian, that is pasta and fruits. So after that, taking all the food and whatever you want, you have to take and you have to come here for the billing. So I'm just waiting for my turn. And the spoon, if you want separate spoon, you can buy it. And the tissue paper is for free, not for the something else. So I'm just taking some tissue papers. And the thing is that there is like a spoon also, normal steel spoon, which is free, you can get with the plate. So I'm just but I'm buying the plastic spoon. So here in the cash counter, if you have like Mensa card, that is €5 per day, so you can use your Mensa card here to just purchase the food. Otherwise, if you don't have Mensa card, you simply have to pay like we are paying in our canteen. So finally my turn came for the billing purpose. So I have the poly card, that is Mensa card. So I'm just giving utilizing that Mensa card for the food. So for my food it is €4.5. So I have to use €5. So I'm going to lose this 50 cents, because they will not give the 50 cent back. So we have to use €5 or more than €5. So you can't use less than €5, otherwise it will last for us only. So just say I'm using my card, and in this way simply. But last year it was like we can use this €5 per day, like weekly one time you can use, like €35 we can use it one time. But from this year it is not possible, we have to use every day, otherwise you will lose the chance. And just see, it is full, the canteen is full, and just I'm waiting for the table. So I think this boy is finish his food, and I just want to sit here, and this is the simple things I want to let you know. So friends, just see and just let me know, because many people ask me to how is the food of the university, how is the food of hostel, etc, etc. So simply I thought to just let's have a small video for you, and I'm just eating because, and see the tissue paper and all. Actually we don't have the habit of using tissue papers, simply we wipe on our t-shirt and shirt, but here we have to follow some discipline, because we have to learn something new. And friend, the best thing is that after eating and all, we should not leave the plates on the table and all, as you can see. So there will be like something we have to throw in the particular dustbin only. So this is the best thing, because we have to eat and we have to clean our plates itself, etc, etc, like this. So I hope I have cleared all the doubts regarding the hostel fee, hostel food, university canteen, etc, etc. So friends, just keep updated yourself. If you need something, you can message me on Instagrams. Okay, only related to POLIMI or general things, not admission process or something like that. Okay. So friends, see you in next video. Bye bye.